Okay, this is a mini review of the Ameritron ALS-600. Basically, I've set this up with a dummy load, Cantina dummy load, and I'm using my Flex to drive the amp. Right now, basically, I'm going to test it on CW for factory listing is 500 watts. It puts, as you can see now, you'll see it puts well over 500 on CW key down, and also we'll test the single sideband, which peaks over 700. The unit is fully working. The cosmetics, as you can see, I had to dim down the exposure so you could see the meter well. I'll provide some pictures, but the casing, the front and the back are in mint condition. The power supply case cover, the top cover, had some scratches from stacking it, but it will be delivered with a brand new cover. I ordered a new cover for Ameritron. So basically cosmetics will be looking as new and fully working, obviously, as you're going to be able to see. So right now I'm going to drive it with 80 watts CW input on 80 meters onto a dummy load, and I believe it does quite over 500. Let's give it a test here. First, we'll try it without the. So basically, you can see. I'm putting out about 75 to 80 watts without the amp. Basically the exciter, and as you can see, it's on over 500 right now with 80 watts. I could probably drive it a little more. Let's go to 88 watts, and I think that would be about the top. 88 watts on CW, as you can see. It's putting out well over 500, actually almost 600. Let's do a single sideband, and for that I'm going to go ahead and drive it up all the way to 95 watts. Let's test it first. November 0, Zulu Echo Foxtrot. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. So, as you can see, this is a test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basically, I'm putting out, over 100 peak, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Almost 100. If we hit the upright switch, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a test. This is a test. November 0, Zulu Echo Foxtrot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see it peaks well over 700 actually, if you drive it all the way. I don't have the ALC connected. I have set it by hand using the procedure. It has an adjustment in the back and also in the front. It does have an ALC control jack if you want to connect it to your rig, but usually if you adjust it manually with both of them, looking at the ALC LED, basically it'll tell you where your limit is at, and you can back out a little bit. Basically the unit will be double boxed and shipped with insurance for the purchase price. So that concludes the review of the Ameritron ALS-600.